In order to fully protect yourself in the event of a lethal self-defense shooting, be sure your plan covers these costs in full, or be prepared to pay them yourself. Hi, I'm Don West, National Trial Counsel for CCW Safe. I've been a practicing criminal defense trial lawyer for over 36 years, and I've been board certified by the Florida Bar as a criminal trial specialist for over 30 years. And during that time, I've been involved in a lot of self-defense cases as lead counsel, co-counsel, and as a trial consultant helping other lawyers prepare their self-defense cases. As a result of my work in private practice and with CCW Safe, I've had an opportunity to experience firsthand just how much it really costs to defend a lethal self-defense case. While every case is different and different cases call for different strategies, I'll break down the areas which are present in every case where there will need to be funds at least available to have your best chance of winning in court. If the money isn't there to pay for something you need for your case, the risk of conviction increases. It goes up. While that might not be fair, and unfortunately, though, that's just the way it is. So, in order to fully protect yourself in the event of a lethal self-defense shooting, be sure your plan covers these costs in full, or be prepared to pay them yourself. Everybody knows it's expensive to hire a lawyer, but sometimes the other out-of-pocket expenses can equal or even exceed the attorney's fees. These other expenses have to be taken into account when you're talking about what it's going to cost to prepare the case. So, to get a better idea of the real cost of mounting an effective defense, let's talk about where and how the money gets spent by general category. And then I'll talk in more detail about each area and give you an idea what it's likely to cost overall. I've identified 8 general categories where money is likely to be spent in preparing a self-defense case. While the amounts will be different depending on the facts, but in every case there needs to be money available to spend if needed. These 8 categories are bail, what it's going to cost to get out of jail; attorney's fees, the money your lawyers charged for representation; investigators; experts; pretrial discovery and trial costs; trial exhibits and trial support; jury consultants; and, in the event of an adverse verdict, the cost of an appeal. When you start adding up all these numbers, it becomes clear that the cost of hiring a lawyer is only the beginning of what it will take to actually defend the case. In a lethal self-defense case that goes all the way to trial, it could easily cost $300,000 to $500,000 or even more. Having to take a life to save your own is a terrible, traumatic thing to experience. But as horrible as that is, not having the financial ability to effectively defend yourself afterwards against a zealous and perhaps politically driven prosecutor will ruin every day of the rest of your life. The lesson here: if you are going to join a legal services membership plan, read the fine print. Be sure you get all the coverage you need and aren't stuck halfway through the most important trial of your life without the money you need to get the best defense available. I'm Don West for CCW Safe.